Veterinary acupuncture involves using extremely thin needles to place them at strategic points on an animal's body. And what this does is we're trying to treat the imbalance of the bodies. And so if there's any deficiency or excess of the energy or any blockage of the energy getting through normal coursing through the body, then a lot of times that's what contributes to these illnesses and diseases and what we need to do to bring the body back into balance. I use Electro Acupuncture a lot of times for my patients who have either severe arthritis or intervertebral disc disease cases, and the reason why is that it just provides a stronger stimulus for these patients. If I see that the needle shifts a little bit or if that they kind of turn and look at it, I know I'm right where I need to be in terms of the stimulus that they need. Acupuncture can help patients by reducing pain, reducing inflammation. The way that acupuncture works is that each point is a collection of nerve bundles or connective tissue, muscle areas that when we stimulate that point can help release certain mediators in the body. So acupuncture can treat things like arthritis or intervertebral disc disease. Those are usually kind of the most common patients that we'll see. A lot of the times what we're trying to do is control the pain associated with those conditions. It can also be used for kidney disease, sometimes even heart management, seizure patient management. A lot of people are always worried about whether or not their animal will have pain. These needles are actually very small, and so usually they're virtually painless. So I have each patient come in for a consultation with me. This is going to help me overall look over at the patient, make sure that I look at their entire body. I can make sure there's no further diagnostics that we need to do. The consultation is very important for me to get the history and background, know what's going on with the patient, get my hands on the patient to be able to feel and palpate and know where our problem spots are, and then be able to create a treatment plan for them. Most pets, I have them start out at once a week treatments. It depends on what's going on with the patient, whether or not they need to come back for more than 3 or if they need to stay on kind of a chronic acupuncture therapy. Depending on their disease process, if it's more acute and resolves with a few treatments, that's great. Some patients might need to stay on acupuncture therapy once a month or once every few months, depending on what's going on with their signs and symptoms. If you're interested in having your pet come in for a consultation for acupuncture therapy, if your pet is having any pain discomfort from arthritis or other kind of degenerative processes, then give our office a call and we can set that consultation up for them.